ang pagdating ng
Siguro sa pagdadasal namin, yun yung aming paniniwala at sa mga tulong ng mga taong nasa paligid namin. Kasi hindi namin ini-expect na sa tagal-tagal ng laban na mararanasan pa namin na mawarrant of arrest ang isang pangulo na katulad ni Duterte.
Itigil ang pamamaslang! Duterte panagutin ng mga kabataang Pilipino. Kaya dapat hindi tayo tumigil.
Patay ang karapatan at kalayaan ng mamamayan. Ngayon nandito ang taong bayan hinggil sa biktima ng huwad na kontra.
Umpisa pa lang ito ng laban. Hindi pa ganap ang aming kumbaga hindi pa ganap ang sinasabing hustisya dahil marami pa po mangyayari. Mahaba pa po ang aming laban. Pero hindi po kami titigil.
Duterte panagutin!
Itigil ang pamamaslang!
Sa takot ng mga eskola ng bayan sa mga katulad ni Duterte, pasista.
What is the crime that I committed?
The Philippines firebrand former leader Rodrigo Duterte was arrested upon his arrival at Manila's main airport on Tuesday. That was at the request of the International Criminal Court and confirmed by the office of President Ferdinand Marcos Jr. It's a major step in the court's investigation into thousands of alleged extrajudicial killings during Duterte's presidency-defining war on drugs.
To me now, the legal basis for my being here.
Duterte questioned the reason for his arrest in an Instagram video posted by his daughter, Veronica, from his custody at a Manila airbase. Duterte's drug war was a campaign promise that swept the maverick crime-busting mayor to presidential power in 2016. Reuters captured graphic footage at the time of the violence. According to police, 6,200 suspects were killed during anti-drug operations, but activists say the real death toll of the crackdown was far greater. Police deny any involvement in those killings and reject allegations from rights groups of systematic executions and cover-ups. Duterte has repeatedly defended the crackdown and denied ordering the murder of drug suspects, saying he instructed police to kill only in self-defense. On Tuesday, some of his supporters rallied outside the airbase where he was held. Reuters spoke to Rose, a supporter of Duterte's, at the airport.
Tsaka hindi niya po yun deserve.
Duterte is old and he did not deserve what they did to him. What he did was for the Philippines. The time that he was the president was peaceful. There was less crime and there was order when he was in power. He did not deserve this treatment.
Duterte's ally and former legal counsel Salvador Pinello said the arrest was unlawful and police had denied legal representation. Human Rights Watch called the arrest a critical step for accountability in the Philippines and said authorities should swiftly hand Duterte over to the ICC.
Ano sinasabi natin? Nawalan ka ng isa. Sa isang ang haligi.
Ano po pala, yung walang awa, yung walang yung pumatay sa kanto, siguro po makayang ako sa akin ng panahon.
For the first time, ngayon lang ako nakaramdam ng ganitong kaligayahan dahil sa wakas, yung hinasam-asam ko na katarungan para sa kapatid kong pinatay, sinagot na, unang-una ng Panginoon, nagpapasalamat ako kasi talagang dinilig niya lahat ang aming mga panalangin para lang mangyari ang lahat ng ito.
Para sa iyo, paano tayo na tinanggap o tatanggap sa Kanya? Sa kadiliman kami at salamat na nasumpuman namin ang program Paghilo. Susman at nilapastangan, binalutan ng faith